Penny Roll. This is Animosity 3. We go hard, make some noise.
Yeah!
We go hard. We go hard. This is a one round of battle on my right. Introduce yourself.
It's Tdh, man. Top floor shit, big villain shit. Yeah, I mean, we ready to get it. Man, let's go.
Battle on my left. Introduce yourself.
Ratchet Rico, we in here. ECNC, no ENY. I can rap all them states, all them hood, my name, whole weight. Let's get it. Iced out.
Iced out. We got a one round that's on Tdh.
I said, man, real niggas know. In the streets, sometimes you gotta do shit whether you with it or not. I mean, I personally hate ops, but will create ops when I give you a hypocritical shot. I mean, we all know some walking contradictions, right?
Right.
But I could be the spokesman, bitch. I'm a black hippie. I keep the peace. And we'll smoke your shit, cause today, I woke up and chose violence. The 9 cent got me on straight nonsense. All that fake aggression and capping your rap, and just stop it. Think new parent. I'ma put son to sleep, but we ain't rocking, so what's poppin'? Ratchet, your name telling me that you lame as fuck. So word to Jazz, big head ass, I'ma fuck your name up. First of all, you swing on me and I'm dropping your ass. And then we might stomp you. I'm talking one hit, ratchet off stage, Lil Mama, or I shoot down your partners. Yeah, it's like that. Or I shoot down your partners. I don't need no features. Hey, your men, between a 22 and a 25, like the DiGiorno pizzas, we go hard.
We go hard.
What up? I said we go hard.
We go hard.
What up?
What up?
Before I wrap him up and it get real sick, the boy Troy let me, and I'ma talk my shit. I'm a living, breathing, top floor heathen. You can't slander me. I pull up the cars with the strap. Like Bandit Keith, I go dumb with the cow. I pull up the cars with the strap. Like Bandit Keith, I go dumb with the cow. Leave your brains where the wall will be. I rock O's off, cause hustling is a part of me, a highly social introvert. I know to some that sounds confusing. I will throw you a party by myself. Oh, now you clueless. Dumb motherfucker, you getting robbed, stupid, ruthless. Truth is, there's nothing you can do with me. And truthfully, I feel like y'all put sun here to see what I do with heat, so now the tool is squeezed. Let off 2 of these, drop the 2 his knees. The chest shots got him in pain. He like, don't do it, please. Now he lying. Staring at the AR. P, do you believe he a dead nigga? He a dead nigga. The instant I get that transmission, 2 to his head, nigga, I'll pop up anyway. Yeah. Yeah. I will pop up anyway to get my name on my bread bigger. First it was Charlotte, now the home where it started. But y'all see no ceilings. I'm gonna be a kingpin in New York, the biggest villain. I ain't playing with him. I thought of this while I was sipping the drink. Came up with a whole scheme for making them plink. I talk cold cash shit, take it straight to the bank. Plus I'm an animal with the little metal scene, ratchet and clank. He sleep now, better this than a different type of trouble. Boy, I will lift your whole house with a round like Squidward's bubble. Beretta's K's, 22s, Desert Eagles. I got weapon spray, a demon. Don't piss me off. Shit sound like anime, extensions. Beating your ass. And I may stop it, run his pockets, take his... Ah!
Go.
Tell me to stop playing with me. Seen Ratchet and Clank, he sleep now. Better this than a different type of trouble. Boy, I will lift your whole house with a round like Squidward's bubble. Berettas, K's, 22s, Desert Eagles. I let weapon spray, a demon. Don't piss me off. Shit sound like anime, extensions. Beating your ass. And I may stop it, run his pockets, take his wallet and his chain, nigga. Do you think I came here wondering what you could do to me? My ops don't be oppositions, they opportunities. This bitch is little but strong and black, Ratchet. I call her Shuri. Push the rifle with ball heads. Use one eye, see my fury? Bang! Bang! The shot gonna land, and I bet that. I killed him. See later body. Celebrity deathmatch. We thugging, bitch, and maintaining the bulk like a supplement. They compliment our slides like those look comfortable. Nigga, it's us. What the fuck is you talking about, nigga?
alone.
I'm gonna have you a bitch screaming, sucking dick while I'm streaming on my Twitch. Yeah. Make sure I cut the cameras off so they don't delete my shit. Straight audio. Yeah. Straight audio. I will have your bitch screaming, sucking dick while I'm streaming on my Twitch. Make sure I cut the cameras off so they don't delete my shit. Straight audio. When they ask me, I'm gonna say it was a skit. Yeah. A villain took your bitch, and the green got her goblin, nigga. If you hate me, fucking hate me. If you love me, you gonna love me. But I'd be damned if I let one of these fuck niggas judge me.
Make some noise, y'all.
I say, yo! Before you get up here and play me on some soft shit, just know when I get offensive, I get on no offense. Catch you coming out your car, put the pipe to your back with some exhaust shit. Hold on, pause. While I'm still thinking on some car shit, shooters hop out the Chevy and hit you when your Ford quit. I'm a pit bull, you done stepped into some dog shit. All you hear is Ratchet through the battle, man, he lost it. He ain't even get his paw shit. But I don't give a fuck cause my respect is working for a fit. They like, bro, it ain't no biggie, just give him one more chance. My shooter 4 feet, but he'll hit you for like 4 bins. Back up on my grizzly, guess it's time to go on more rants. Time to go to war, man, these niggas sending war rants. Keep a Nina on me, man, this bitch you want a romance. If I ain't got on me, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Step back. Hold on. Back up on my grizzly, guess it's time to go on more rants. Niggas go to war, man, these niggas sending war rants. Keep a Nina on me, man, this bitch be want a romance. But if I ain't got it on me, swinging swords like a Conan. Keep a stick on each fucking side like a snowman. Hit you when your apple close out this whole program.
Hold it down.
Thinking about beefing with me? You better move smart. Beef I can't sleep like the night before school start. Catch him in the store, pick his melon like a food mart. Cause he must have bumped his fucking head like his Jumar. Dodo, bozo, same nigga that asked me for a photo. Whip your ass on camera, then we use it for some promo. Tell your niggas please don't try to rob me, that's a no-go. That's anybody try to book me, I'm backing out like a no-show. Less work, you can't even dress, that's your best shirt. Let's work. Let's work. You can't even dress. That's your best shirt. See you on the internet. You ain't got no net worth. Before I let you take me out the game, I get this tech first. Bring it to your whole crew neck. Fuck a sweatshirt. I punch niggas in their face. You just do a lot of talking. I was carrying that Trey Young, the little nigga. I was hawking. Last nigga, we beat him handicapped. Now he got a walker. Just for being in my space, like it's handicapped parking.
Talk to this nigga. Talk to that nigga, man.
Cause I'm the one that they hating on. Cause I'm the one that they hating on, so I don't keep the safety on. And I heard about them niggas that you wrote a statement on. I came in 20 deep, give a fuck if niggas. I came in 20 deep, give a fuck if niggas take it wrong. That's 20 blocks and 20 switches, like we about to cut the breakers on.
They on.
Oh, I can put that knife in and out. I call it the hokey pokey move. See, y'all niggas laughing, but I ain't in the joking mood. You couldn't keep your mouth closed, so I left it with some open wounds and left your team face on the wall like a trophy room.
Talk to him. Keep going.
I gave my shooter another clip, cause he run out quick. So if it ain't a head tap, then it won't bout shit. Head tapping like some braids when your whole scalp is. Head tapping like you trying to check his page through his profile pic. You better not start no fight, we on some brawl out shit. shoot a nigga at a venue, then we stroll out quick. These shooters get to clapping when I point out shit. Jack boys get to yakking like a smart mouth bitch. So you better tuck them little jewels in your riches before we drive that little chain like we checking 4 inches. Got me on my bully. Got these niggas flinching. It's like a badass student. Got me checking for the tension. Yes. It's about to be the high. I'm about to get my swing self on. Couldn't get a better battle, so I guess I had to settle for him. Ain't have to come with nothing hard. Ain't have to think nothing clever for him. I just kill him softly like Lauryn Hill. Cause he's the sweetest thing I ever known. Hey, City, Troy. This ain't even the job that I applied for. But I'm gonna show y'all how to put this work in like it's job call. When it comes to him, talk to him. Talk to him. When it comes to him, everybody better mind yours. Right? He the one y'all wanna ride for? I'ma park this shit and let it soul lift slowly like garage doors. I'm shining when I'm stepping, like I'm lacing up the Concord. Hold on, to my lights out. I'm shining when I'm stepping, like I'm lacing up the Concords. For this fucking battle, he was bitching like a side hole. Fuck the back and forth, cause I ain't got the mind for it. Left his blood dripping like designer, cause I ain't had the time for it. They didn't even get it. Got his body to the morgue, couldn't recognize his features. So they just stuffed his ass back in the freezer like a microwave pizza.
Jeffrey Dahmer flow.
Talk to him. Come through checking out his boo-boo like some fake sneakers.
Hold it down.
He asking everybody if she faithful. I don't want to have no faith either. But I ain't trying to take your bitch, man. I'm on some gangster shit. But I do want to break you up like I hate on a relationship. Lord's my neck. Ow! But I ain't trying to take your bitch. Man, I'm on some gangster shit. But I do want to break them up like I hate on a relationship. Lost my connect, so I guess it's time to take a trip. Looking for a plug like my phone on 8%. Well, bottom gangster rap. We don't bottom gangster raps and the pictures you trying to paint and shit. Cause I swing this razor like I'm really on some paint and shit. I can't wait to snitch just to get your case dismissed. I don't point no fingers, you know why? Cause I'd rather make a fist. Hold on. You ever started a riot in the yard till the COs come and cage you? Yeah. No. You ever started a riot in the yard till the COs come and cage you? Acting like a bad boy till the COs come and mace you? I came very, very far, so I'm very, very grateful. The last time I had a battle behind some bars, I was cutting niggas' faces. Gangster. Ain't a way that it's debatable. Ain't nothing that he spit is hot. But if y'all play me like that, I'ma send him to the ER. Let him debate is he gonna live or not. Cause y'all trying to act like he nice. Y'all done made me mad. Right hook, send him night-night, or it's gonna daze his ass. If he pull up back and fish you, we gonna fillet his ass. Gas him up like a balloon, we gonna deflate his ass. Razor slash, split his whole shit, left a major gas. My shooter had a better shot at him, so I made the pass. Burn them all up in his house, we gonna stage his ass. Now it's all
Hold it down.
y'all wanna act like he nice. Y'all done made me mad. Right hook, send him night-night, or it's gonna daze his ass. If he pull up after fishing, we gonna fillet his ass. Gas him up like a balloon, we gonna deflate his ass. Razor slash, lit his whole shit, left a major gas. Shooter had a better shot at him, so I made the pass. Burn them all up in his house, we gonna stage his ass. Now his whole family in suits, like he the major draft. Yeah! What the fuck is you talking about? Talk to him. Got more. No, I had to get his body, but you know this was an easy play. You know, I had to get his body. You know this was an easy place. Tdh, this is funeral. Somebody called Tdh. I was in his hood copping work. It was short every time I read the skate. It made me have to squeeze the 8. Now the nigga sorry for that weight, like a Wheezy tape. Cause they gonna pull up to his crib. They gonna pull up to his crib and find his body dead. Cause he was talking all of that shit. So we went straight to the DMV and we ain't need no driver's ed. You know, I'm the hood pharmacy. So tell your girl I got her meds. Cause I heard when drugs in her face, she can't fight the temptation and she ain't too proud to beg. You thought he was competition, nigga? Hell no. Front I let a shell go. Gotta hold his gun from my hand to my elbow. Swing this fucking hammer like I'm working on the railroad. Then Tdh will stand for to the hellhole. Time, man.
Make some noise!